So it says non-kosher medication. One who is sick, bedridden, suffer from a severe headache, for example, migraine, or running a fever. A young child may swallow a non-kosher pill, or chew a bitter tasting tablet, or swallow a bitter tasting liquid if non-kosher if no kosher alternative is available. Exactly as we said. This is not considered the normal manner of eating and permissible in these circumstances only. Question? Okay, no problem. So let's read one more time, and we're going to explain what it says here. So one more time, we're talking about non-kosher medication. So we said one who is sick, bedridden, suffering from severe headache. There is a migraine or running fever. So let's stop here. That's that's a second category in the laws of Shabbos, right? In the laws of Shabbos, there are three categories of people, three categories of sick people. So one category of sick people whose life in danger. So you can set aside the laws of Shabbos and you can do whatever you need to do. The second category is a person whose life is not in danger, but he's very. Okay, could you please mute your microphone? Where is it? Please. Please check your microphone. Thank you. And one more person, please. Check your microphone, please. Okay. It's still not on mute. Okay, no problem. Okay. So and second type of people that whose life is not in danger is actually from goes under this description. And we can ask a non-Jew to do a different melacha for them. I think the one that is Torah prohibited, we cannot do for him. We can do for him whatever is allowed, only rabbinically prohibited. But we can ask a non-Jew to do for that person something that is prohibited rabbinically. So he can cook a soup, for example, for that person. Okay. Or a young child. So why is a young child? So young child is automatically, that depends on the age and constitution of the person, of the child. Of course, like up to 5 and up in some instances up to 9 years old, it's considered the person who is always in danger, whose life is always in danger. Like somebody like sick person, like very sick, somebody with diabetes, something like serious disease, diabetes, of course, in severe type, right? So same as this child. So we can do many things for them, right? So they may swallow non-kosher pill, right? Or chew bitter tasting tablet. So bitter tasting as well known in Halachos brachas, we don't say blessing. So, but most of the chewing tablets, they have a nice flavor, right? So like some, I don't know, strawberry or raspberry, something good. Okay, but if it's bitter tasting, not kosher, right, and swallow, or bitter tasting liquid, if no kosher alternative is available, right? So that's it's not considered to be eaten. Why? Because people usually don't eat these bitter tasting foods. Okay. Right. So, and he says that this is not considered to be normal manner of eating, and is permissible if there's in these circumstances only. Meaning, in other cases, would not be available, permissible. So, I just want to add to this. There is there is a store, online store. We buy some things from the supplements. They call koshervitamins.com. Koshervitamins.com. So they located in Bora Park, one of the holiest neighborhoods in the world, and one of them. I didn't say the holiest, but one of the holiest. And there you can see they have some like vitamins, like an over-the-counter medicine that do not have a stamp kosher, but they know that it's kosher. So you can always order from them, or just check like with this over the counter, or you can order from them like this all of the syrups, whatever cough syrup or something like you. There is no need to take non-kosher if kosher alternative is available. So that's the start to go. Kosher vitamins. Okay, continue. Yes, go ahead.
Yes, real quick. Is there an exception to they God forbid something happened, like a car accident, or you have to have surgery, or something of that nature? The medication that they give you, some different rules for that type of medication.
Okay, one second. Let me make it louder. I apologize. 1 second. Somehow. So could you say it again? The volume was very low. So if any exception, if somebody went through surgery, that's what you mean, or?
Yeah. Like if somebody had to have like a surgery or something, or God forbid, like a car accident, and doctor sends them home with prescribed medicine. Do the same rules apply to that, or
it's the same rules. Mm-hmm. The same rules apply. So if it's you see, if it's over the counter, so it's easier to know. If it's not over the counter, right? So you can easily check. You can always go on the website. I think, or you would have it. I think if I'm not mistaken, I think I checked some years ago. Somebody asked me, and you can see what medicine is available. So if you go, it's preferable, of course, to go to the Jewish religious doctor, and you tell him, is the kosher alternative available, and he will tell you. So, but if not, if you see, if it's shots or something, so there is no problem. If it's like an intravenous, there is no problem whatsoever, because you're not eating. It's not eating at all. So somehow, believe it, I'm not sure why. Don't ask me why, but somehow I think we did not cover the definition of eating. I'm not sure why. So eating, it's like a process. Maybe I'm not. I don't remember. But eating is a process when you put something in your mouth, and your palates actually derive pleasure from it. So you chew in and you swallow. So it went through your mouth. You feel it, and you chew in and swallow. So as we said, this hot soup, whatever they put like a scalding hot, you put in your mouth. It's not eating. It's like you don't your palate does not derive pleasure, and that's why he specifically says. So if you chew in this bitter tasting tablets, it's not eating. But the nice like I have this melatonin, right? So they taste like a raspberry. Well, it could be better. You understand? It's like candy. So this must be kosher for sure, right? Even though this is specific melatonin, like in money wise, so you can buy 3 times cheaper and non-kosher. I'm not sure what is that like. It's not in pills. It's chewable. Don't ask me what, but of course we go and buy kosher. Yeah, hopefully we don't need that. Okay. So, but when you're in the hospital, they need to administer some things, so you just keep quiet. I mean, one more time, if it's not through the mouth or you just swallow, there is most likely it's not a problem. If there is no taste, there is no problem. Okay. Any other questions before we continue? Okay, no problem. So continue then. One who must use a non-kosher flavor of chewable pill or syrup must consult Rav. So we try to not to do that, but okay. So today, as I said, look, there are many people. There are many people today that they're trying to go kosher, and I think I said this story. Like I have in my office, I had many non-Jews. Like kosher. They said, look, we know you Jews. You're smart. You would not eat something that's not good. If Jews eat only this and they're so smart, they're so rich, I want to be like a Jew. I like not only in eating kosher. And these people like talk like very loud, very seriously, and that's what they do. Like they eat kosher, and they prefer kosher medicine and kosher rice, and even I don't know what is kosher about rice and other things, but that's what they do. For sure, not Jews. I had a few of them in my office, right? So today many kosher alternatives are available. Like, and plus Baruch Hashem, these vegetarians, even though many of them apikorsim, right? Like because they say they're trying to be more merciful than HaShem. HaShem said, I created these animals for you to bring a sacrifice, to bring an atonement, right? To derive benefit, like to work in all the days, to work on the animals, ride on animals. But these people say, no, we're going to go like above and beyond, and we're going to be vegetarians. But even this Reshaim, you understand, that goes against Hashem, it's still good. They still bring something positive to the world. What? That now more like a lot of coaching became like vegetarian. So I'm not. They make not from animal, but from I don't know, from some oils. I don't know from what. It's very interesting. From seafood or some from seaweeds or something. So even this regime serve some purpose in creation. You understand? So today it's much easier to find this kosher alternative than I would say even 15 years ago. It was not so simple. Any other questions, or we continue? Okay, so continue. One who must ingest a pill that is covered with non-kosher tasty coating may wrap the pill in a thin layer of the tissue paper and swallow it with a mouthful of water. That's it. So mouthful of water, meaning that that does not even touch your palate. That's it. Continue. Or I would say maybe do with the juice, with like iced tea or something. So for sure you have a taste only of the permissible taste in your mouth. Okay. So, but all of these alternatives are good. It's not considered to be eaten. Nobody eats like that. One can purchase vegetable-based capsules and transfer the contents of the gelatin capsules in them. So that's another alternative. Okay. So they actually you can buy that. There is no problem. Or some of the things that I advised like some years ago. So I said to one person. So she was trying to find the kosher alternatives. It was not available. It is that many years not so many these veggie capsules, right? So what I said, maybe you can swallow like that, but this medicine. So I apologize. Of course, I did not know. I just said it theoretically. It was very bitter, and of course we found a different way. She swallowed in something else, but it's one of the reasons that they put it in a capsule because it's like bad tasting. That's it. Okay.